What's up, cooks? We're continuing our Black Friday experience, right? I went a little crazy this year for Black Friday. I did a little Tramontina ordering. So we're going to be looking at a few of them things. We got some Tri-Ply stainless, we got some ceramic bakers, and we have some cast iron. The full realm of cookwares for the kitchen, right? Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So welcome back to all the cooks that have been here all these years and all the new cooks who have just joined us. One of the things you'll know and learn is I am crazy about several different things for the kitchen. First and foremost, cookware. I have an entire room, in fact, an entire basement filled with cookware. That is my first love. My rooms are even named after cookware. They're called the pan rooms. My second love is, of course, stand mixers, right? And then we go down the line, right?
Dinnerware, bakeware, utensils,
processors,
gadgets,
all that fun stuff. Today, Black Friday has all been about cookware. This time around, we are equipping the new studio kitchen. Not like I didn't have enough to equip it before, but I've been kind of going Tramontina crazy because I got a few pieces recently, and so I wanted to check out some more of their stuff. So today we have this 4-piece Tri-Ply saucepan set. I am a little short on saucepans. I have trouble finding like good saucepans, and they usually come, you have to buy a set, and sometimes you have to buy, they're expensive, right? They tend to be a pretty expensive piece. This set I think was like $30, right? And it's Tri-Ply. So we're going to try this out. This is stainless steel.
So if you can't find stuff at Home Goods, then look at Costco.
Costco, Sam's Club, all that fun stuff. So we have a very nice looking lid here. So this is a 2-piece. It's a 4-quart and a 2-quart. The 4-quart has 2 helper handles, or 2 handles, like similar to a soup pot. So this is really nice for the price, I'm going to tell you. They have some really nice stuff. So Tramontina is a company, I believe they're in Brazil. I don't know where they make their stuff, but the company itself is in Brazil.
To our Brazilian viewers.
Yeah, whoa! This is really nice, Tramontina. Okay, here's the lid for this. Whoa.
Yeah.
Very nice. Tri-Ply, fully clad all the way around. Mm-hmm. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Tramontina Tri-Ply clad. This is really nice.
Kind of giving Calphalon a run for their money.
Yeah, at these prices, right?
At these prices.
I don't know. I think this is like almost an $80 set, but they're running like a Christmas sale on this thing. This thing has the measurement lines up here. Holy moly, this is nice stuff. This is the lid for it. You cannot beat what I paid for this. This is amazing. So I know you guys are probably wondering what happened to Cookbook Club and Recipe Vault. We sort of took the Thanksgiving time frame.
Hallmark was just, and Great American Family, we just watched Christmas all weekend.
We got distracted. So Eric had mentioned that we're running low on baking dishes, and Tramontina
like I know we're low on baking dishes.
Tramontina dropped some interesting new pieces on Sam's Club's website. These are covered baking dishes, and they were an amazing price, so I went for it, right? I got 2 different colors, one up here and one downstairs. So this is black, right? Look at this baby. So this is made out of ceramic. You can hardly get stuff like this. Like, it's hard to find really good bakers with lids. They don't, they're expensive. So I think these, I can't remember how much these were, but they were like, I would say 30, right? Whoa. Okay. Tramontina hooked it up. So they are cream colored on the inside with the lid. That is kind of tasty, Tramontina.
Well, they got the gold
With the gold knob.
Makes it kind of pretty. Yeah.
I can't say that the lid is perfectly on here.
Not fitting. If you rotate it around, does it fit any better?
Slides around a bit.
Okay.
But this is nice.
Yeah.
This is nice. This is like a competitor to like, they say has a covered baker, but it's in the 100, naturally $150 price range. This one is, oh crap, it's broken.
Oh no. All right. Whoever delivered it.
Okay. I think we'll be. That's the color of it. Look how beautiful it is.
Yeah.
And it broke in shipping. So Sam's Club, I'll be contacting you tomorrow. Oh man, that's disappointing. So Le Creuset has the stacking enameled cast iron set. It's like a Dutch oven, and it has like a pan that stacks on top, and then the top one is like a grill pan. And I thought it was kind of neat. Well, they brought out a dupe, right? Tramontina brought out a dupe. So I got this, and I got black. So it looks black like it's raw cast iron, but it's enameled. Kind of interesting concept to it. We'll see. After my last thing with the ceramic, I kind of struck out. I don't know. I've been kind of digging the black enamel cast iron lately. Whoa. Okay. So this is the overall lid to the system. Whoa, that's beautiful. Look at that. I know that there are people out there that say, well, I'm not even going to go into that. There are people that they don't like the black interior, like with stove and with this. But in the same breath, they say they like cast iron, like raw cast iron. They tout how great it is. But when it comes to enameled, all of a sudden they don't like the dark interior. And I don't get that, because if you love regular raw cast iron, but you don't like dark interior on the enameled, that just tells me you don't like raw cast iron, right?
Give it a choice. They like the lighter color so they can see their food better. That's probably all it is.
Yeah. So this is our little manual here, and that's what it looks like when it's stacked. This is the middle piece. It's like a deep skillet, a brazier, something like that, where this fits on top of there. Whoa.
Okay.
So that's a nice, literally this is the real part that I wanted out of the set, because this is pretty awesome looking.
Amy acts like she's short on brazers. Believe me.
No, I'm not short on brazers. Then it comes with this grill.
All right.
I don't know. Maybe the grill goes on there. I'm gonna hold off and see.
I knew that box was heavy for a reason.
Yeah. This is is a heck of a set, and the way it stacks, it's really good for storage. So you have this Dutch oven, right?
Does the lid fit?
The lid, boom.
Yay.
You have this, boom.
Wow.
You have this, boom. And you have this, boom. So you can this is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, that doesn't take up any room.
It doesn't take up much room, more than a Dutch oven, but you have all these pieces. So if you can make your entire meal in here, right? You can grill up some meat. Boom, 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 boom.
Mm-hmm.
Cook some potatoes.
Or rice.
Or rice. Boom, boom, boom. And then you have your Dutch oven.
Wow.
This is really nice. This is a cool set. I know Le Creuset has this. Le Creuset. And they have a dupe. This is pretty cool. So what do you think about these? I'm going to be contacting Sam's Club to deal with that broken ceramic piece.
But it looks pretty.
Yeah, it looks pretty. I'm looking forward to using it. This is really cool. Tramontina, you're really doing this. You're coming up in the world, right? Mm-hmm. Seriously, I think Tramontina is like one of the biggest cookware companies out there. So, love it. Thank you for joining me for this Tramontina haul.
Sure.
Crazy Fest, whatever it is. Hey, thanks for joining me.